You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce these phrases from French, meaning a beautiful soul? Une belle âme. Une belle âme. The phrase itself overall is said as une belle âme. So you link up the belle with the âme. Belle âme. Une belle âme is how to say a beautiful soul in French. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.